Waste from London's toilets, sinks and gutters is carried away by a network of interconnecting ever larger pipes designed and built by sewage superstar and pioneer Joseph Bazalgette.
Every day, every hour, every minute, all over Moreton Bay and the Sunshine Coast, toilets are flushing, sinks are draining, washing machines are washing, showers are spraying and dishwashers are cleaning as our homes, schools and businesses use water and create sewage. Most of us make around 162 litres of sewage a day.
Where would it end up? What would it do to our environment and our health?
Follow us to find out what happens when all that sewage leaves your sink or goes down your toilet. So here goes. Pegs on noses. We're about to take a journey through the sewerage network.
Off to Unity Water.
When sewage is flushed or drained away from your house, it enters a huge maze of pipes that connect your house to the sewerage network. The sewerage network is all the pipes, pumps and treatment plants used to remove and treat the sewage. Just think, right now under the ground, raw sewage is travelling to the sewage treatment plant. When the sewage arrives at the treatment plant, we screen it to remove all the unwanted objects. We find all sorts of strange things that shouldn't be there. Toys, false teeth, jewellery and even underpants.
We also find lots of other items that cause big problems for the treatment plant. Things like baby wipes and cleaning wipes, nappies and fats and oils. Once all the sewage is screened, some treatment plants have special tanks that hold all these screened sewage and control how much sewage enters the treatment plant at any one time. This helps to ensure the quality of the treatment is always consistent.
The new plant comprises 2 large chlorine contact basins, UV and ozone disinfection systems, biological filters, a solids handling facility, ozone production and injection buildings, and a tertiary supply pump station. Advanced tertiary treatment is conducted in 7 steps. Step 1. Effluent from the existing secondary stage enters the advanced tertiary treatment plant via a new tertiary supply pump station. The purpose of this pump station is to lift effluent out of the existing holding basins to begin the tertiary treatment process. The first stage of treatment is the addition of ozone to reduce colour and odour and to optimise the rest of the treatment process. The ozone is generated on site using air as an oxygen source. Biological filters are a key part of the tertiary process. They remove oil, grease, foam, litter and solids, and helpful bacteria break down organic compounds and reduce ammonia. The biological filters are cleaned using treated water. The dirty backwash water is then processed to separate out the solids, which are then sent to the existing Eastern Treatment Plant sludge digesters. In the 4th step of the tertiary process, the filtered water is again treated with ozone for advanced disinfection. After this, the effluent is exposed to ultraviolet light for further disinfection. Chlorine is added as the 3rd and final disinfection stage. The treated water then enters 2 large chlorine contact basins and is retained in these basins for at least 30 minutes. Finally, tertiary treated water is transferred to the existing outfall pump station, which discharges to the southeast outfall. Some of the treated water from the outfall is recycled, and the remainder is discharged to the ocean under EPA Victoria licence.
All the way through our treatment processes, the treated sewage is tested to make sure it meets strict rules. At the end of the process, The treated sewage is called effluent, and it's been tested for quality more times than bottled water.
Around 24 to 48 hours after the sewage arrived at the sewage treatment plant, it's been screened, broken down, eaten up by bugs, separated, filtered and disinfected. And tested and tested and tested. It's now clean, treated water, ready to continue on its journey through the urban water cycle.
Hot damn. Call the police and a fireman. I'm too hot. Hot damn. Make a drink and water me time, man. I'm too hot. Hot damn. Say my name, know who I am. Too hot. Hot damn. And my bad mouth, that might break down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night we in the spot.